Ready?
Well, hold up. Watch this shit.
Hold up. Oh, close.
I'm trying to kick it. Let's go. Hold up, bike. Hold on. No, I'm just trying to do it without splashing myself. You
Whoa,
can't
what's that
even
bubble?
see my feet. Oh, I thought that was mom. Come on, let's go.
He said, ooh, I thought that was mom.
It gets fucking deep over here.
Huh?
It gets deep over here.
Dude, you can't even fucking see the yellow line.
I know. Yes, you can.
I wonder if it gets any deeper.
Whew. I'm gonna let my feet get used to it real quick. Hello, turn around. You cannot come this way. Come on. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. We can do it. Damn.
Get in my